Many key workers have found that wearing disposable face masks for long shifts can irritate the sensitive skin and cartilage behind their ears. Using the 3D printer, we have been making mask adapters to try and alleviate this problem. The original design was made public a few weeks ago by file sharing site Thingiverse under the project title HackThePandemic. This project has seen amateurs and professionals across the globe invent new products to help try and solve the unique problems currently facing key workers. The adapter is placed at the back of the head, with the elastic of the mask hooking onto the vertical arms rather than the user's ears. There are several sets of arms on the design so that the user can adjust how tight or loose the mask is and to accommodate varying head sizes. The first batch made by the design department at Manor Green College are already being used at the Royal Sussex Hospital by medical students who are volunteering as healthcare assistants and cleaners. Could you design a product to help someone be safer at work? You could draw your ideas on paper and label them, or you could record your ideas in writing. Maybe you could make a prototype from the recycling at home and take some photos. If you have a go, have fun, and send or email your designs to your class teacher.